Kani ketika Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubur baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka orange Nissan, lom so po niya fabricate Shillong.
Ka sorkar jelah kesengi balang juga tayo ka arpu atre uyayong arjar arpo kalapen bena ba ka jingpen kieu hadu sandengga ka bai petrol hak silitar kenang ban penmi khambun ka khajanan nak benta ban pelut pat nak benta ki jinglut ki babun hak ka jing kon persya yo knyang jingpang coronavirus ubla poi menta kanong ba Shillong u sembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba prestun tensong hak jing kran bigila pathai ku bor loi thu ba ka jingpen kieu dor ya ka petrol kam dai tang hak ni ka jela hendai ki we ki jela ru ki le kumjo namar ba kiwei kiri ka perthai ru ki hab ban khang khardep ya ka shnong ka thau kanang wania dai ka jing sapriang jong uknyang jing pang coronavirus
so lingko ahia obras kato kal ahiar temetas senda chu derek sadinga wete Henry ladanga di namtanga jingba te namtanga jingba sarka kabeng hi surkom te long namtanga jingba te long nyula ere brong kata te mo namtanga jingba te long hapen ya dol ka lang hi ke jira sarkar kata te nyula ere brong
Kumenta ba dong long lockdown community kata ba kum tusia ki ba Ntar gencar ki banyo jingkrai kumaki kan tak apa. Kuningir ka jo. Nir mintekra nir lanoru akakne kan sam tak pisah kan dah kai punya pelang nir ke slow tak bagi. Ini kan tak bagi.
Kasyam tak ada government nomor ba lekanya ko galiang rungi hap perkhapat ba gomen ru ka hap mi pisa ba namantaka jenun kam jangan ka pandemik mentama kata ni saya kata kita baik ingin lek no tak kenar ngi hap ya perkhat lang ba namantaka jeng mahalang ni baro
Yesterday only I have seen that video. It is in minus crude oil and here it increases. How it is going on I just don't understand it. It has to be decreased, no? How it is increasing now?
Coming in, it's not that much as you can compare it to the normal days. So that's why the customer are not that much aware of this like extreme price change. Otherwise it would have been a different situation altogether. Even before, when there was a price change of almost 5 rupees, there was a huge amount of rush which used to take place in all the different retail outlets. But since now it's a lockdown and people are more worried about the COVID-19, which is a pandemic going on throughout the world, so that's why they are not that much bothered. That is the reason they are not so much aware of this current and like shocking price change in the MS and HSD prices all over the state of Meghalaya. As it's directly been given the instructions from the government of Meghalaya to increase the rates, and not only the government of Meghalaya, but yesterday I've seen in the news the government of Assam too has increased the rates for the petrol and diesel price. These rates have been increased right from the 22nd and there has been increase of about 5 rupees 20 paisa in petrol and
5 rupees 03 paisa in diesel.
And 5 rupees 03 paisa in diesel, okay. So it's all from yesterday only. Yesterday the rates have been increased. Yesterday and today we are coming up with the new rates. And day before yesterday it was the old rates which was going.
Petrol, Anisha borok kowe ko persai kahia. Namar ba kitip akan ke lockdown, man kiri ke dalam lockdown. Jadi nakalian jongi ke petrol akan ke pengimpat kentiu, ke don juga ke poisi nriu ko pradengga ngai. Dini at no sandengga. Kalau nyo ko adengga. But how January ngan shoot ubi, January, February kador juga petrol kalau nyaw pusan dega sanho naya. Tementa bagi kentiu kataru kabamot, ngidang long tan nyaw ko adengga, kabut still kalau reasonable. Nak kemta ka petrol, nak kemta ka diesel, nak ada long pi balengi lelak ni, ndai tamani. Kiwe ki still tu kilak ni, namar ba plus upu komobi, kajing rot, nak kalian berserta ka bajurma. Ni hap iya kaban mansi katukan ni items ba ha kalian ka tax bangim masih ban ketiu ban ngangis kan bagi pai ba jong jela joni kini pediang ya kini kini appreciate ini kecing le namar ba ngikwa komong ngopi ban kombat ya kini kat bala ba kecing lut na kalian sorkar kamdei ka ba khamiat namar ngimpat ti biru hadu katnu ski kini ketema kan kut katnu kunai kini ketema kan kut kini kermen sken bangila lesik ba uni ukunyang jipang komong ngopi bin kontin le ba kanum spread sikiwe pat pet district amon namar ka diesel ka poi la namar klangan riu po weight namar ka kalang po 65 man hadin balak penting around 65 or 66 rupees